Good evening, guys. How are you? Today I have an amazing video for you. So I request you to watch this full video to fix your iPhone, which is showing an error called SIM not supported or invalid SIM or unsupported SIM card, something like that. So recently I did a video of this same issue and it was about Gevey SIM. If you don't know about it, forget about it. Actually, this method is totally different and there's no need of Gevey SIM. You just need to go on a website and you just enter the IMEI number so your phone will be unlocked. As you can see, I have unlocked this iPhone 5 using this method. It works on every iPhone models, even on iPhone X. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's start the tutorial. I'm really sorry about it, but my voice is creepy right now, but I'll try the best to explain you. So let me tell you some major things about it. Right now this iPhone 5 and your phone is not factory unlocked. So I'm gonna unlock this using a Dr. SIM premium unlocking service. There are also other websites which offers SIM unlocking, but most of them are fake websites and they ask for money again and again. But this is only one-time payment and it's cheapest. I will unlock this iPhone 5 in front of your eyes using this method and obviously tell you about each step. As you can see, it has the same SIM not supported issue, so let's begin the unlocking. So the very first step is to open a website, Dr. SIM. The link is also in the description of this video. I suggest you to use the link which is in the description of this video so you may get a good price. You can open it on a PC also, but I am using another iPhone to open the website. So here we have a website. In my left hand there is an iPhone 5 which shows error of SIM not supported. So I'm gonna unlock this phone to show you how it works. Let's select an iPhone here. So here select your model. So here is the real point. You must know about your carrier code, your network name on which your iPhone is locked. If you don't know about it, so you can't go to the next step. There is a link in this video description. So open it and you have to pay $3 to get your carrier country and name. There is not any free method of checking the carrier name. So anyways, my phone is locked on Canada country and Fido network, so I'm gonna select the country and carrier on the website. Now it will ask you for the money. As you can see, it's cheap. Now let me tell you that every carrier has different prices of unlocking. For example, Fido network, which is my network, unlocks in approximately $18, and on the same time AT&T network unlocks in just $12, but it's still cheaper than any other website on the internet. And some few networks are there which are impossible to unlock, like there is a Sprint network, you cannot unlock it, so you will use the Auto Gevey sticker SIM card. You can purchase it. The link is in the description of this video. That little sticker will unlock your iPhone. Go to that link for more information. Now put your IMEI number on the website. Let's pay them and see what will gonna happen. So I have paid them $17 to show you the real unlocking. It's not fake, guys, like other YouTubers do. Make sure you have given a correct email, otherwise you will not receive emails from the website. So you can pay them using debit card or credit card, and there is also a PayPal option. And here I have a web page with some instructions, so I'm gonna follow these instructions. They have sent me a confirmation email also. They've also given me a link to correct mistakes in case a wrong IMEI number, but I only have 10 minutes to fix it. So to change your IMEI number in case if you have given wrong one, so to replace it with new one, go to your inbox. So you will see an email from Dr. SIM. Just simply reply to that email with the new IMEI number. That is it. So it was all about unlocking an iPhone. Now it's time to tell you something about those blacklisted iPhones. You cannot unlock phones which are blacklisted. If you have a phone and you don't know about its blacklist status, you can also check it using the same website. But I am saying it again, your phone will not gonna unlock if it is blacklisted or iCloud locked phone. So make sure that your phone status is good, otherwise you will just waste your time by paying them money. So after one day, I got an email from the doctor saying that my phone is unlocked. So let's see it is unlocked or not. Let me just exchange the SIM cards from iPhone 6 to iPhone 5 and let's see. So as you can see, my iPhone is totally unlocked. Now it is not saying that SIM not supported or invalid SIM. So this was the video to show you guys factory unlocking of an iPhone. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.